How to use advanced screenshot tools on Android. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can use advanced screenshot tools on your Android. Now, before we begin, if you're new here, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. Now, without any further ado, let's just jump right into it. So Android offers several built-in and device-specific advanced screenshot tools. So there are a few things that you can actually do with it. The most common and basic way to take a screenshot is by using your power and volume up button or the volume down button depending on your device. So if you press on the volume down and the power button together, you'll find the screenshot taken. And you'll find the quick setting panels as well. So there are different things that you can do. So let's say if you have an app open, you swipe it up like this, you'll find the screenshot option there as well. If you tap on the screenshot button, the screenshot will be taken from the app just like that. There is also another option that you can do is you can just take a screenshot. You can just look it up what it can do using the AI. Let me just show you guys again. Screenshot, and you can share it or delete it from here. So there are many things that you can do. There are other things as well. What you can do is you can just take a longer screenshot. You can crop. You can do whatever you want. So if I open up an app that in which I can scroll like this, let's say it's a chat. If I take a screenshot and then tap on this icon, I can start scrolling like this and take a longer screenshot. If I tap on the save button, it'll save it just like that. Now if I head over to my gallery, there you can see the screenshot that I just took. And yeah, those are the advanced screenshot tools. You can also edit a screenshot. If I tap on this edit option, if I just select the screenshot, I can then start, using the markers here. I can choose the colors, I can blur out stuff like this, and there are several things that I can do. And yeah, those are the tools on your Android for screenshot. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.